Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to extract a string from Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we will show you how, if anything in column A has the letter I, we will be returned with the location of the I in column B. And if there is no letter I in column A, then we'll be returned with the word error. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I type in B2 and I type equals find with a left parenthesis, the first argument I will be prompted for is to find text. What text am I looking for? So in double quotes here, I'm going to put an I and then type a comma. The next argument I'll be prompted for is within text. So that is, where am I searching? So in this case, I'm going to click on A2, and then I'm going to hit enter. And I can see that I'm being returned with a 3. That's because an I has been found in A2 under Emily in the third location, or the third letter over. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if I select B2 and hover my mouse over the bottom right hand corner until it becomes this thin cross, and then I double click, I can see that all of the instances where an I is found in column A, I can see that I'm being returned with a number of the location of the I. But what about these that say value? That means no I is being returned. And let's get rid of that and make that a little more user-friendly. So if I go back into B2 and click between the equal sign and the find, and if I type if error with a left parenthesis, and then I'm going to leave the find statement because that is returning an error of the pound value. And if I click at the end of this and then type a comma, and then in double quotes, I'm going to type the word error, close my double quotes, and close my parenthesis, and hit enter. I'm still being returned with a 3 right here because the find function is not returning an error because an I was in fact found. But if I highlight B2 again, and again go to the bottom right hand corner and double click to autofill, I can now see all of the cells that had pound value are now being replaced with the word error. So I could do a quick search on the word error and I would know all of those values in the previous column do not have an I in them. Now there's a lot of other ways to look for substrings of another string, and we go over a lot of those out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to our blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.